That guy is
No way. Too much gay, bro. Too much.
you saw.
Like what everyone says. Yeah, we together as friends, but that's it. Oh, man.
Hold on.
Okay. Record, I just drank. Don't call us Pokemon.
Why not right?
Move it!
Raise your fancies down.
These motherfuckers.
Really, bro. Let's talk.
Okay.
We're friends, you know. The gay
bro,
relation.
More than friends.
No, yeah. If you gay, if you have a close gay relation to friends, you have more. What do you call it?
Social credit.
That's what I have to call
Yourself.
them, but I ain't.
Yes. I don't know who said that, but I love you. He might have meant to do something, like take a shit, you know?